What is human power? For me, human power is self discipline, self control, perseverance, endurance, humility, kindness, no matter what outcome it may, integrity. The greatest on earth is love, faith, and hope. In life's ups and downs, health or sicknesses, failures or success, the best situation or the worst situation in life, the ups and downs of life, no matter what outcome it may, we when we are willing to adapt changes for us to be a better person, when we are humble enough to admit our own mistakes, when we are willing to be corrected, to be rebuked, to be disciplined by such teachings for us to go in the right path of life, to be the source of positivity in love, be a doer of good. When we move with compassion, when we see our brothers and sisters ill-fated, powers of the poor people, the needy people, when we move with compassion, that is kindness, dealing with the people who have hurt you, you choose to forgive right away and stay away from troubles. In the midst of troubles, you remain in peace. When you are the peace, no matter what outcome it may, the positive outlook of life. When we admit that we really need to learn regarding the learnings for our spiritual, mental, physical, emotional, that makes you a very strong person. That is human power.